Hello, welcome, Sharon. It's my
Mm.
honor to invite you to come have a chance to interview you for your professional advice on the accessibility for blind and lower vision visitors. Um, I'm Vivian Tam. I'm from the University of the Arts London. I'm currently studying a Master of Arts and Cultural Enterprise. And our final project, we have a chance to have freedom to choose our topic to investigate. And this time, I have chosen I'm curious about how the blind people uh, will experience in museums. Thank you for your time to attend this interview. Would you like to introduce yourself, please?
大家好，咁我係 Sharon 啦，我而家係Hong Kong Palace Museum 嗰度係做緊一個 assistant curator 啦，咁目前就係喺策展部門嗰度工作嘅，咁我主要嘅職責咧就係負責一啲展覽內容嘅一啲策劃啊，同埋研究咁樣樣，咁同時間亦都會有同唔同部門合作嘅一啲機會啦，咁我哋都會偶爾會有一啲接觸到一啲唔同嘅殘疾人士嘅一啲經驗嘅，咁都好希望可以係藉此機會同翻Vivian 去分享翻呢方面嘅經驗咁樣樣。
好多謝你啊，我都好清楚啊。咁我
嗯
哋可以開始 session one，我哋已經開始咗啦，第一條。
嗯
你個 role 喺Hong Kong Palace Museum 啦。咁
嗯
跟住from your perspectives，第三題，What
嗯。
is the museum's working definition of accessibility? Does it lean more toward compliance, possibility, or something closer to collaborative co-creation?
嗯咁喺博物館嚟講啦，咁 accessibility 咧係一個每個人都需要關注一個主題嚟嘅。咁所以喺我哋嘅入職培訓入邊咧，係每一個人都要接受到呢方面嘅知識嘅一個普及啦。同埋就係話，如果真係面對到呢一種情況之下，每一個職員可以提供邊一方面嘅協助嘅，咁就會有翻唔同嘅針對性啦。咁當然，如果係喺 museum 嘅角度嚟講嘅話，咁一方面我哋係必須要遵從呢個法例嘅規定啦。咁即係譬如話有
嗯
關於設施方面啊，又或者係一啲消防條例啊，又或者係總之硬件措施方面啦。咁呢一個係屬於法定嘅一個條例咧，咁我哋係必須要做嘅。咁至於去到一啲提供協助啊，又或者係點樣去提供一啲展覽嘅協助咁樣樣咧，咁呢方面係屬於軟性嘅話咧，咁我哋就會採取另一種比較彈性嘅處理咯，咁就唔會係必要嘅，因為始終每一個人遇到嘅問題都可能唔一樣，咁我哋就會針對翻佢哋有啲乜嘢情況啊，再去提供翻相應嘅協助咁樣樣。
Oh, thank you. Then let's go to session two, current facilities. If you walking me through a visit from arrival to exit, what does a blind or low vision visitor actually encounter today? Like
Mm.
wayfinding, audio guides, barrier labels, tactile maps, touchable objects, or staff lead tools?
咁當你一入到去一個展覽入邊嘅話咧，咁譬如一啲硬性嘅措施啊、wayfinding 啊，同埋 audio guides 同埋labels 啊、tactile map 嗰啲咧，我哋都會有嘅。咁至於 touchable objects 嘅話咧，呢個係屬於optional 嘅，因為呢個係屬於策劃展覽嘅一個角度啦。咁就未必係即係個要符合翻嗰個展品嘅 有冇呼應到嗰個展品啦，同埋喺嗰個場合適唔適合咯。咁呢個比較係 optional 一啲啦。咁至於係呢個工作人員嘅帶領嘅一個導覽嘅話咧，亦都係要視乎翻對方需唔需要呢個服務啦。咁同埋就話可能有陣時係一啲殘疾人士嘅團體，佢哋嘅機構有冇話需要呢一方面嘅協助咁樣樣咯。
That means that there's a lot that we can assist them to enjoy the visit. Okay, question 6. Are there any tactile exhibitions touchable with high replicate, raised graphic, multi-sensory stations, either permanent or direct for specific exhibitions, such as the Shanxing or the culture of food and drink in China shows?
呢方面嘅話，佢哋多數唔係喺同一個展覽入邊出現嘅。咁我哋喺譬如話喺我哋嘅上次展覽，我哋喺個瓷器嘅Gallery 3嘅瓷器一個展廳啦，咁就會有一啲而家喺香港碗窯發掘咗出嚟嘅一啲瓷器碎片啦，咁就係唔單止係俾殘疾人士嘅，甚至係俾市民大眾咧係有一個觸摸嘅機會啦。因為佢嘅數量都比較多啊，咁所以同埋亦都唔係一啲太過稀有嘅一啲物品啦，咁所以佢係可以俾公眾嗰度展示嘅，咁所有人士咧都係可以去嗰度觸摸啦。咁同埋另外一方面就係喺 Gallery 6啦，咁一個紡織品嘅一個展覽啦，但係而家已經係結束咗啦。咁喺佢展出嘅期間嘅時候咧，我哋亦都有展出一啲唔同嘅織品嘅一啲觸感嘅一個體驗啦。咁同埋就係喺各類型嘅展覽入邊，我哋都會有呢一方面嘅考慮嘅。咁再嚟就係話包括之前一個中國同法國嘅嗰個凡爾賽宮嘅一個合作啦，咁嘅嗰個展覽亦都係有提供一啲即係香味嘅一啲設計啊，就會係啦，咁就會俾大家去體驗到就係嗰陣時嘅即係一個法國最著名嘅香水係點樣樣啦咁咯。
係可以用到唔同嘅 sense，又可以睇啦，又聽啦，又可以聞到嘅。係咪你頭先提到嗰個textile 個紡織展咧，我都記得過啦。佢最尾嗰度咧係 special exhibition 嚟嘅，最尾嗰度咧有幾塊地氈咧，即係可以摸下嗰啲毛茸茸嘅感覺。同埋另外我 recall 咧，我有去過一個印度嘅展覽啊。佢除咗啲珠寶之外咧，最尾有個 section 嗰度咧有一個可能係一個階磚一塊瓷器，咁佢咧就會 show 咗出嚟，佢個工藝有啲咩步驟啊？首先佢要琢磨咗一啲坑出嚟，有一個花瓣嘅凹咗落去嘅 pattern， 跟住嗰度咧真係有一個瓷片可以摸落去，就等客人觀眾唔係觀眾 visitor 可以摸到佢嘅質感出嚟咯，即係變咗你sensible 用手去 sense 都可以。好 ，thank you。
呢個係 V&A 嘅展覽，補充翻。
V&A
係。
咁另外第7條 ，Has the museum experimented with any form of a refreshable but barely or dynamic tactile technology? For example, a dot pad, an electronic braille label, or a tablet pad display? If not, has it been discussed?
呢一方面嘅話咧，其實我哋主要都係用一種即係已經係喺嗰啲各類型嘅，即係譬如你見到我哋有一啲地圖啦，咁上面就會已經有一啲特字嘅處理啦。咁呢一啲就係已經係預先整好嘅一啲特字嚟嘅。咁如果關於係電子方面嘅呢一方面嘅配套咧，的而且確係比較少啦，同埋我哋係有考慮過嘅，但係因為我哋始終都係一個公營嘅機構，半公營機構啦，咁所以有好多方面都係要經過去 層層嘅審批啊，同埋去思考，先至可以最尾執行到咁樣樣咯。
Thank you. Okay, session 3, visitor experience. Okay, that's the number 9 question. Could you share one or two stories of blind or low vision visitors whose responses has stayed with you? What did they say, do, or notice that surprised your team?
咁我自己就有一次經驗嘅，咁同埋我之後都有同同事分享翻啦，即係咁佢係一個坐輪椅嘅人士啦，咁佢睇展覽嘅時候就其實需要多一啲嘅關於你去描述嗰樣嘢咯，同埋點講咧？應該係話即係喺公司嘅角度嚟講嘅話咧，即係佢哋即係一開始有教導我哋啦，即係就話唔係話一定要急住去照顧殘疾人士嘅，反而係要去先做到觀察佢有啲乜嘢需要啦，然後再去問佢哋係咪需要協助援助咁樣樣。咁到佢哋真係 confirm 啦，咁你先至去再主動去提供呢個協助咯。咁就係經歷完呢啲步驟之後咧，咁確認佢真係需要啦，咁你就去睇翻佢係咪究竟係唔理解啊，定係睇唔到啊？咁你就去作出調整啦。咁我個案咧就係佢係想了解多一啲各方面嘅展品嘅啲內容啦。咁你就喺呢方面嚟講過，我覺得可以即係好似對待正常人咁樣樣去照顧佢哋就可以啦，係咯。
唔需要用啲特別嘅眼光或者去相信佢有一個 ability 去自由咁樣去展覽咁樣都幾好喎，即係對佢有一個身份認同咯，係。
冇錯。
咁第10條 question 10。How does the museum gather feedback from blind visitors? Exit interviews, focus groups, repeat visit conversations? Is that feedback formally feedback into curriculum planning?
咁針對翻呢條問題啦，咁就其實都有兩種嘅方法嘅。第一種咧就係如果佢係自己嚟參觀，即係已經買咗飛嘅話咧，咁我哋係所有觀眾啦，其實都唔止係呢一類嘅殘疾嘅參觀者啦。咁我哋都係喺同一完結之後咧，就會有個 questionnaire 去收集翻大家嘅意見嘅。咁如果大家有意見嘅話咧，咁我哋都會有相應嘅部門啦，收集完之後咧，再將所有嘅問題即係分拆開嚟啦，咁跟住再反饋去唔同嘅部門咁樣樣咯。咁至於如果係佢係經由即係佢係團體嚟嘅，即係一啲殘疾人士嘅一啲團體機構嚟一齊嚟參觀嘅話咧，咁最尾係會問翻相應嘅負責嘅工作人員啦，睇下佢哋即係大家有啲咩遇到啲咩問題啊，然後再去睇下點樣去解決咁樣樣咯。
即係就問翻前線嘅員工，睇下嗰度咧，佢哋有冇遇到啲咩問題啊，或者係點樣可以幫到佢哋咁。
錯。
好，第11題。What is the most common gap blind visitor encounters at Hong Kong Palace Museum today that you wish you could solve tomorrow?
我諗係唔係話即係佢哋嚟唔嚟到，我哋反而唔係驚佢哋嚟唔到，係唔知道佢哋知唔知點樣嚟，同埋就話可唔可以有啲點樣有更好嘅方法去吸引佢哋過嚟咯？呢個反而係我哋面對嘅問題咁樣樣，睇下可唔可以喺一啲再喺一啲宣傳方面可以做多啲嘢。
好，多謝你。咁我哋去到 Session 5， Cultural Specificity. How does Chinese material culture complicated or enriched accessibility design. Object labels often carry classical Chinese portrait, calligraphy, seal scripts, and culturally specific concepts of beauty. How do you translate those of touch and sound?
嗯，呢條問題就會我諗下先。其實唔單止係話對於呢一類嘅有需要嘅人士啦，咁可能係即係普通嘅市民大眾都未必可以完全理解到佢哋即係有啲乜嘢值得睇啊，又或者佢哋有啲咩值得欣賞嘅地方啦。咁呢個都係我哋遇到嘅問題嚟嘅。咁即係譬如話喺文字方面啦，咁我哋可以盡量利用多一啲嘅圖像啦，同埋一啲互動嘅裝置啦，去令大家去了解嘅，即係唔單止係話即係各類型嘅人士啦，咁樣講。咁但係至於係嗰啲算書啊，同埋佢啲比較特殊一啲嘅工藝嘅話咧，有的而且確係比較有限制嘅咯，喺我哋角度嚟講。
我都有發覺咧，香港故宮文化博物館咧，佢都有用好多 technology，因為好多嘅exhibition 到最尾咧，都有一個互動區，咁就有啲touch screen 嘅設施，跟住咧就令到嗰個 visitor 就算睇完啦，佢都可以去將自己融入去嗰個 art piece 裏面咁樣，呢個都做得好好。
係，多謝你。
好，第18題。Hong Kong is a bilingual Cantonese English and increasingly trilingual with 普通話。How does this shape your braille and audio decisions? Is there a Chinese braille standard for your team works with?
咁針對翻呢一條問題啦，咁就即係如果佢哋係需要呢個音訊嘅話咧，咁其實我哋喺每一個展覽入邊咧，都有一個係可以掃描 QR code 嘅一個audio guide 啦。咁入邊其實唔單止有即係有普通話啦、廣東話啦同埋英文啦，咁同時我哋而家亦都係開通咗有日文啦同埋韓文嘅一啲嘅 audio guide 嘅，咁呢一方面亦都係提供俾即係各類型嘅有需要嘅人士去使用啦。咁同時亦都係可以借用我哋lower ground floor 嘅一個即係語音嘅一個耳機啦，咁佢就可以戴喺耳仔嗰度嘅。咁即使你冇呢個掃描唔到 QR code 嘅話，我哋亦都係有呢方面嘅配套嘅。咁再嚟咧，就係喺點字嗰度咧，就係其實呢一度有少少tricky 嘅。咁因為其實我哋而家用緊嘅文字咧，同點字咧係行緊兩個唔同嘅系統啦。咁所以佢哋嘅點字其實係係另外一樣嘢嚟嘅，咁佢哋就係學完之後咧，咁我會跟翻政府即係而家係用緊邊一套嘅點字嘅一啲守則啊，咁樣，咁我哋就會相對應咁樣去調整翻，用翻嗰個咯。
我相信佢有唔同系統，但係咧係有效咁樣去溝通，就會做得好好。好，第19條 ，Many of Hong Kong Palace Museum's most prized objects, Qing Jade, Imperial calligraphy, embodied groups are precisely the things conservation rules forbid touching. How do you honor the texture of these objects without compromising them?
咁我哋有兩種嘅方法啦。第一種咧就係將佢就係圖像化處理咗啦，包括係即係印刷一啲大型嘅圖片啦。咁我哋就唔需要 接觸啦，但係你都好清楚咁樣可以見到佢紋理嘅。又或者我哋借用一啲 technology 啦，咁佢就可以放大縮細啦，去清楚俾觀眾見到，即係 3D 嘅形式去見到佢個物體嘅唔同角度嘅一啲花紋啦，同埋一啲字體咁樣樣嘅。咁再嚟就係其實而家佢有一啲嘅工藝啦，亦係未失傳嘅。咁我哋就可以同翻一啲非遺嘅藝術家或者係機構去合作翻啦，睇可唔可以模擬翻相同嘅一啲複製品出嚟，咁大家都可以掂得到咯。
實質去摸得到嘅。好，thank
嗯
you. Session 6, the imagined future, or is talking about the future of the Palace Museum. 廿二題。If budget and conservation were no constraint, what one piece of accessibility technology would you most want to bring into Hong Kong Palace Museum, and what would it unlock?
嗯，如果係俾我自己揀嘅話咧，我就覺得上一次HKAAA 嗰陣時嘅誒一個朋友即係同行啦，分享嘅嗰個韓國嘅博物館嘅嗰個升降嗰個儀器係幾得意嘅。咁因為佢
可唔可以
係可以遷
輕輕
就角度嘛，係你講。
輕輕介紹下佢升降儀器係有啲咩點樣操作，同埋點樣幫到個 visitor？
係，咁佢就係放喺入門口嘅位置啦。咁佢就係可以你去揀翻係唔同嘅高度啦。咁佢就會自己相應咁樣升降去調整嘅。咁入邊咧亦都有一個 AI 嘅人仔啦。咁佢就會問翻你有啲咩需求啦。如果你又係有語言方面嘅話咧，咁佢亦都係可以隨時就轉換係嗰種語言啦。咁同埋上面亦都有一個點字嘅系統啦。咁就會隨一個屬於點字嘅字幕啦，咁即使你係聽唔到都好啦，咁你亦都係可以即時觸摸到嗰個點字嘅字幕咯，咁你就可以去理解到佢係可以提供邊一方面嘅協助咁樣樣。
嗰個我當其時都有去嗰個 presentation 啊，的而且確咧嗰個新嘅 machine 都幫到好多殘疾人士去更加融入個展館裡面。好，第23條。Some museums are experimenting with AI-generated audio description, refreshable tactile graphics, and even scent design. Where do you see the line between argumentation, like genuinely opening the collection, and novelty, like an installation that looks inclusive in a press release?
我會咁講啦。其實我哋博物館亦都開始使用呢類型嘅即係 AI 嘅生成嘅各類型嘅嘢㗎啦。咁即係包括影片啦，我哋都係有用嘅。如果你而家有參觀過，我哋係 Lower Ground Floor 嗰度都已經有一啲AI 嘅影片啦。咁嗰個係其實係我負責嘅項目嚟嘅。咁就係啦。咁雖然佢係 AI generate 嘅，咁亦都係必須要係每一次即係供應商提交過嚟嘅時候，咁我亦都要仔細睇清楚每一樣嘅內容係咪我哋需要㗎啦，同埋會唔會令到一啲各類型嘅觀眾會產生不適啊咁樣樣。咁我哋亦都係徵求咗好多唔同嘅同事嘅意見啦，咁最尾先至去確定係邊一個版本係最終係個執行版咁樣樣嘅。咁同埋我哋亦都係比較 concern 入邊嘅內容啦，咁所以佢無論係用唔用都好啦，咁我哋都會仔細睇咗個內容先咯，係啊。
咁講開Lower Ground嗰個好長形嘅 display 咧，都值得一讚，因為之前咧係我留意到係一塊塊長形嘅板係拼嵌而成嘅，但係而家新嗰個 version 咧就係成塊板一塊板過，變咗中間就冇一啲 gap 去影響咗視覺上面嘅效果咯。 同埋
係
剛才你提到嘅需要 concern 嘅咧，我都留意到咧，其實每一段影片咧，佢係發光嘅 LED 屏幕啊嘛，佢哋嘅
嗯
閃爍度啊，同埋佢嘅光暗度咧，有時都好
嗯
會影響到個視覺個睇嗰個人啊嘅
嗯
影響到佢哋嘅情緒啊或者觀感，因為有啲
係
民眾咧可能對感
嗯
光比較敏感啲，會
係
影響到佢哋嘅感覺。所以
嗯
其實背後你哋都concern 咗好多嘢。
嗯，多
好，
謝你。
廿四。If our cohort were to design a small deliverable prototype, say a single tactile object, an audio piece, a website, a participatory event, what could contribute to Hong Kong Palace Museum's accessibility story? What would be generally useful to your team versus a well-meaning distraction？
嗯
有啲咩可以設計到，但係又可以代表到故宮博物館、香港故宮博物館？
我會揀tactile object 同埋嗰個 event 都幾好嘅，對於我哋嚟
嗯
講係啦。咁就係呢啲係屬於覺得係可以真係具體執行到嘅嘢。咁至於
嗯
audio 同埋網站嘅話，因為佢牽涉到內容方面嘅審核啊，所以就比較難
係
一啲去實行咯。
嗯。係可以實行到嘅，但係就可能個過程繁複啲咁。
係啊，係冇錯。
好啊，到 section seven 啦。
耶、
好啊，yeah. Is there a question I haven't asked that you wish I had？有
咁啊，
冇啲
好似冇。
咩 function？故宮裏面其實有嘅設施
嗯。
係我又冇留意到。
我諗應該係嗰個地面上面嘅路人咯。
啊，係
係啊，
啊係啊，有。
咁呢方面我哋喺起嘅時候就已經喺度考慮緊呢一樣嘢啦，同埋我哋
嗯
係有好多嘅，即係譬如即係輪椅方面嘅考量啦，即係譬如我哋係
係。
需要嗰個道路係有幾闊啊，先可以俾佢行啊，同埋嗰個斜路我哋嘅坡度嘅設計都係呢啲具體嘅設施都係有考量過咯，係啊，咁就希望你
嗯。
嚟參觀嘅時候多多留意。
係啊，其實我喺設計上面，成個 building 喺任何角
嗯
落嘅設計上面，都背後有好多嘅考量。好
嗯
，thank you。佢最後一題，
嗯。
may we credit you and the museum in our Picard Kutka chart and on the UAL showcase？可唔可以
誒
喺個
係。
影片嗰度提出顯示你嘅名或者係museum 個名？
我嘅話，我係唔介意嘅，但係至於公
嗯，
司方面嘅話，我覺得都係即係跟翻副館長嘅要求，就係先避免係咯。
好啊，好
係
啊。Thank you for your time
係。
today. That's all the questions that we have. I can see that there's very many insights that you have offered us to have a more in-depth understanding or knowledge of the uh, uh, work from the behind the museum, design the museum exhibition. Uh, Once again, we can have more knowledge, and then next time when we go to visit the Hong Kong Palace Museum, we will be more immersed to the exhibition. Thank you.
Thank you, Vivian. Thank you, everyone.